This is Dennis Sullivan. Today I want to talk to you about a touchy subject, and that is, what recourse do you have against your spouse's mistress or boyfriend? Unfortunately, it is not uncommon for one spouse to suspect and learn that there is someone else spending intimate time with their spouse. To most people, this revelation is heartbreaking. It's a break in the trust between spouses, and a majority of people believe that this is actually the ultimate betrayal. The vows that were taken in front of family, friends, and God were not abided by your spouse. This leads to many different feelings, one of which may be anger or a desire for some type of action against the mistress or boyfriend. In Texas, the legislature has clearly spoken on the question of whether you can pursue what's called an alienation of affection lawsuit against the mistress or boyfriend. Alienation of affection is a claim that alleges the mistress or boyfriend, through their actions, alienated or interfered with a spousal relationship so as to cause a loss of affection between the spouses. In Texas, the Family Code explicitly states that there is no right to bring a cause of action for alienation of affection. Additionally, the Family Code explicitly states that there is no right to bring a cause of action for criminal conversation. Criminal conversation is a cause of action that is not allowed in Texas, but it's defined as whereby a spouse could bring a suit against a third party for having sexual relations with the other spouse. Unfortunately, neither of these causes of action are available in Texas. There are some states that do allow them, but Texas is not one of them. The Texas Supreme Court has indicated that an aggrieved spouse may still have a cause of action alleging the intentional infliction of emotional distress against the mistress or boyfriend. The elements of this cause of action, however, when looked at in the marital context, is difficult to prove. It requires that you show the offending person to have calculated and intentionally acted in order to cause you emotional distress. In most affairs, the underlying reasons for the activity is not undertaken with the calculation to cause the aggrieved spouse emotional distress. But you're not devoid of any use of your spouse's affair during your divorce. The fact that your spouse stepped out of your marriage can be used in arguing for a disproportionate share of the community estate. This argument is made during the property division calculation of the divorce. This means that the court can take into account your spouse's affair in making an award of assets to you. The underlying thought for this is that the spouse engaging in the affair probably used community assets while doing so, to the detriment of you. The lawyers at Stepp Sullivan are here to help you with any family legal issues you have. We are more than happy to meet with you in person, observing social distancing guidelines, but can also meet with you through Zoom, Skype, or simply over the telephone. If we can answer any questions you have, or if you need additional information, we're here for you. We work one-on-one with our clients to focus on the outcome that is most important to you. At Stepp Sullivan, we make it personal, powerful,